Hello everyone, this is Alban Antony Pereira here and you're watching the YouTube channel Educare Learn. Welcome to this tutorial and I am going to walk you through the 5 skills an accountant must have to be successful in his accounting career. An accountant is a person who does the recording of all the business transactions which happen on a daily basis in the organization. May it be a company or a partnership firm or a proprietorship firm or a society or a bank. All are organizations, right? So the accountant is a very important person, very important employee who works in that organization. Without him, it's difficult to access the information. The first and foremost skill the accountant must possess is the thorough accounting and taxation knowledge. Certain works performed by the accountant are issuing tax invoice to the customers and collecting the payment from them, receiving invoices from the suppliers and making the payment to them, also recording the various expenses and recording the purchase of assets. And there are much more daily works relating to accounting the accountant must perform. The accountant also has to prepare financial statements such as income statement or profit and loss account. He also has to prepare balance sheet and cash flow statement. The second skill to master or become expert is the Microsoft softwares such as MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, MS Outlook and MS OneNote and also MS Word. An accountant must be proficient in using MS Excel. He has to perform many calculations with the help of this Excel spreadsheet on the daily basis while doing his accounting work. Also, he should have decent enough working knowledge on MS Word because he has to prepare various documentations. One another software is MS PowerPoint. As you all know, to prepare professional presentations, we should have proficient knowledge about MS PowerPoint app. And for email writing, that is receiving and sending professional emails, MS Outlook knowledge is definitely required and it will help to carry out our office work smoothly. And MS OneNote is a digital note-taking app which helps the accountant to note down all the key aspects in an organized manner. And the third one is the communication skills. The ability to communicate effectively with everyone working in the organization is a necessary skill for each and every employee. The management constantly keeps on asking various reports from the accountant relating to accounts and finances. The accountant must communicate by providing the right information to the management with relevant data and required statistics for informed decision making. Also, if the communication skills of the accountant is better, then he can conduct regular team meetings within his department and he can convey the message better. He can also conduct team meetings with other departments working in the organization to convey matters relating to finance and accounts better. The skill number 4 is accuracy and consistency. This is very important skill set to have. The transactions relating to sales, purchases, expenses or income entered by the accountant in the accounting software should be accurate and error-free. There should not be any duplication of data. Also, the professional accountant must be consistent in his work methodology. Bookkeeping work must be up to date and on time. The fifth and the most valuable skill which I am going to talk about more in depth is organization skills. Every good accountant needs a daily work plan and implement them as planned by him. Why he needs to be organized is because he has so many deadlines and important dates to meet while he is working in his office. The professional and well organized accountant uses various tools at his workplace such as calendars, reminders, to-do list, post-it notes with key highlighters on them. The time management also is an additional skill which keeps the employee highly productive and self-motivated. And lastly, I would like to note that an accountant who is good at implementation of various plans and strategies will definitely bring in growth in the organization.